In this video, I'm going to show you the tool with the help of you can scrape the emails or data from the Facebook, or best part, you don't even need to go to the Facebook. Whether you want to scrape the 100, 200 or even the 1000 emails, you can use this tool. So right now you can see this is the SocLeads and it's available on the app Sumo starting from the $69, and starting from the $69 you are going to get the 2000 credits per month. One credit is going to get you the one email here, and these credits is going to be the renewed every month with just one-time payment of this lifetime deal. So what I suggest, you should go at least with the tier 2 plan, because here you will get the 7500 credits per month. Now let me show you how this works. So simply go to the scrape Facebook. Along with this Facebook, you can scrape the Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, or you can even combine all these platforms using this feature, that is the scraping multiple channels here. So let me show you how to do that. So simply go to the scrape Facebook, enter your keyword. You want to scrape the emails for these dedicated people, so you have to target a way. So in this platform you are going to target with the keyword. So I'm going to target all the bloggers. That's why I have added the blogging, and after that it is going to ask you the how many searches you want to do. For example, I'm going to scrape right now 20 to show you. So let me enter the 20, and after that you can see I can target the country. Let me go with the France, and here I can also validate emails, whether all the email it is going to scrape for me have the correct emails or not. So let me enable this one. Then after that I can also include this one that is going to also target the relevant keywords here, and let me click on this search. Now it will take some times around the few seconds to few minutes based on the how many the leads you are scraping here. So you can see it is running, and I have already used this tool to testing out with the various platforms, getting the various number of the leads here. So we have to wait a few seconds because the number of the emails I'm going to scrape is really low. So I think around the 50 or 30 seconds around it will be ready for me. Let me refresh the page, and our data is ready. Let me show you. So you can see this is the Facebook, this is the search term we have added, and this is the result. Now I have to simply download the file in the CSV or XLS file. So simply let me download, click here, and now let me go to the Google Sheet. So you can see I have already used this tool to scrape the data, and here are the results. This is for the Instagram sheet I have created for the leads, and this is the email states. So that's how it is going to show you the results. So let me click on the plus icon and import this file here. Import, go to the upload section, simply add the file we have just downloaded here, and now let me click here on the replace sheet, import data, and now this is the data. So let me make it a little bit further here. Yeah, now I can see all the emails clearly. So this is the emails, I have just selected 20 people, so that's why this list is only with the 20 people, and I can see whether which emails are the valid or not. So this email is invalid. So within this single glance I get to know this email is invalid here. So simply I will click delete this one, and now my sheet is all with valid emails that I can target. Now what we have the more information, I have the name of that person here, I have the URL, I have the search term and the search type and the location. So I don't need this one here because I have already targeted here. So based on my purpose I can just filter out this sheet. Now what I can do, I can export this sheet to my cold outreaching tool and outreach these people for my services, for my products, and I can even just contact them. So that's how you can use SocLeads to scraping the leads from the Facebook. Along with that, you can also scrape from the Instagram using the hashtag, keyword. Do the same thing with the LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Have you ever heard about scraping YouTube? This tool also that feature available. And the best part, what I like most, it's email validator. With a single list, I get to know all the invalid emails here, and then after that I can simply delete them and my list is clean here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you want to check it out, this tool, the lifetime deal link will be given in the description, and there's also the free gifts I am also giving out with the SocLeads lifetime deal. So make sure you also check them out. That's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.